Okay guys, welcome back. This is the introductory video to making money with your bots. Now don't lie to me, I know this is what you've been waiting for. This is what it's all about. You want to make that mighty dollar with your bots and your software, and this is what the section is all about. Okay guys, we're going to cover a range of subjects. Let me just get into them now. In this section you're going to learn about making money with your own bots. Okay, and what I mean by that is you could build software or bots, however you want to word it, to run affiliate offers. I'll give you an example. We built a Twitter bot that runs thousands of accounts in a particular niche, and what the bot does is add people to the accounts and then posts content relevant to that niche, and also post offers, CPA offers relative to that niche. And it's a great way to make some money. So we're going to tackle that from A to Z. Okay, we're going to talk about making money running a service for clients. So let's stick with the whole Twitter feature right now. You could have a bot that adds people in a relative niche or in a certain service area, let's say London in England, and you could have a client who wants people only based in London to be added to their service, so you could run your own bot for them on their behalf. Okay, and it's another great way to make money. You can make money selling bots to company owners. It's similar to what I just said before with clients, but it's going to their actual office and presenting the bot to them, setting it up for them. Now that might seem difficult or scary to some of you, but it's probably the biggest money maker per client as you can get. I'll explain more in the section, but what I'm saying is a big company is going to be willing to pay you a lot more money for the software plus a maintenance fee than what an individual is going to pay you for a bot. They have a lot more capital to spend on marketing, so it makes sense that they're able to pay you more. Okay, the next section that we're going to deal with is making money selling bots online. That's quite straightforward. It's a case of building your bots, of course, and then you can offer them for sale in forums. I'm going to get into the A to Z of that too, where to sell them and how much you can charge, etc. And another section which is very similar to selling your bots online is selling a subscription service. So instead of just selling your bot for a one-off price, you could sell it for a monthly fee, and that is a fantastic model to use to making a lot of money. Okay, and then in other sections we're going to talk about how to promote your bot, how much to charge for subscriptions or for one-off sales, how to advertise both for free and for paid advertising. Yeah, so we're going to cover everything to do with making big money with your bots. So I hope you're ready, and we'll get into the next video.